It's your boy back with another video, and today we're going to be rebuilding the Jaguars. And so how it's going to go is we're going to keep playing until we're going to keep rebuilding it for however many years until we make the playoffs. So I'm going to go ahead and advance week, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just simmed the Chiefs won the Super Bowl 31-21 just against the Packers, if y'all were curious. But I simmed so I'm gonna go ahead and sign back most of the players. So he's gonna come back, and he is. So we're gonna franchise tag him. So DJ Chark, yeah, we have to bring him back. I mean, I do have to bring him back, and he's got the deal done. Let's go. He's coming back. So Damian Wilson, do we want to get him? I don't know, like, I need most of them, but then I'm just not sure, because I didn't look through the roster, so I feel pretty stupid. So, yeah, we're going to do it this way. We're just going to go through. I'm probably going to get, so yeah, we're just going to let those two go away. I mean, do I need them? No, I don't. So, looking wide receiver, we have DJ Chark. Okay, Tavon Austin, he can go. Oh, why do we have so many wide receivers? Tight end, he can go. Cam Robinson. Ooh, we need to sign him back. Yeah, let's try and negotiate with him. So he's going to test out free agencies. Okay, center. We don't need him. AJ Cam, we need him. So try. So he wants to play for a new team. I mean, I don't doubt him. I mean, it's the Jaguars. We just went 3-14. We don't need him. Should we sign him? No. Right end. Yes, we're gonna need him. And 1 year. I mean, sure. They all want to test out free agency. So, but I want to save some money for free agency because that's what we're really gonna pick up more people on. I mean, do we need Damian Wilson? Yeah, let's go ahead. Just give him a little contract right here. And he wants to come back. Well, he's the second. I mean, I know we need 2 middle linebackers on some plays. Trey Henderson. We'll go ahead and try to get him back. And we got the deal done. So we're going to go ahead and get Andrew Wingard back. And he's happy to sign. I'm glad about that. So, do we need, 69. I mean, we need him, though. I mean, he's terrible. I mean, he's like the only kicker we have. Punter, no. So, we got most of them done. So, now it's really time to, I'm going to advance one more. Okay, so now we can, advance a week, so now we can sign free agencies. And Devontae Adams is going to be, we were going to try to pick him up. 98 overall. That's crazy. Maybe try to go long-term, just in case if it takes us multiple years. So we just did a quick bid on him. Ooh. Okay, Armstead, go ahead and pick him up. Or try to, at least. So, try to pick up Armstead. And we're going to get a pretty good offer. We're going to be first with him. Trent Brown. Do we need some Chris Godwin? Ooh, we could easily pick him up. Never mind, he is injured. I am good. I'm not taking him. Trent Brown. No. I mean, do I really want to go with him? Sure. Oh, we're going to be in 5th. So, yeah, we're just going to take away from him. We don't have a lot of cap room, so. Casey Hayward Jr. Go ahead and try to get him. Make offer. 94 total points isn't that bad. Should be easy pickup. Mike Williams. Oh, 0 to... Yeah, just give me my money back. Oh, Leonard Fournette. I mean, I want to try to get Campbell. For sure. I'll definitely try to get Campbell. So, give him a run for my money, and oh, we can't. We don't have enough cap room. Yeah, this would be super low. Probably not gonna be able to pick him up. Yes, six. Yeah, he's not going to accept the contract. So, I mean, I gave him a run for the money. So we're just going to advance a week, and we are going to. Okay, so we got a good amount of accepts, and yeah, so that's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and sim since we have no cap room. I'm gonna go ahead and sim. Okay, so we picked up Herbert, and let's just look at the draft recap. So not too much right there. As we'll go ahead and add advanced week. So here's so far our lineup. We have Devontae Adams, Hayward. I mean, I feel like we did pretty good picking up most of them. I feel like we can maybe make playoffs this year, or we maybe make playoffs. If not, then I don't know. I feel like we have to make playoffs. I mean, I really want to cut Trevor Lawrence, but I don't want to have a penalty. So, I could trade him, but I'm not going to do it. Okay, so I simmed to the playoffs, and we didn't make it, sadly. But that's a rematch of Chiefs versus Steelers. But we did not make it as we went 8-9, I think. We went 8-9. Stats don't look too bad. Defensive yards, yeah. I mean, they aren't terrible. So it looks like we did decent. I mean, Herbert. So Herbert played every offensive snap this season. Threw the ball. I mean, James Robinson and Travis Jr. Did pretty good. I'd say have almost the same. Both have like 600. Marvin Jones did. I thought we got Devontae Adams, 69 receptions, 940 yards. I thought he was gonna have more than all of them, since he is the higher rated, 98 overall. He's probably 99 now. So Super Bowl was the Cowboys and the Ravens, and it looks like the Cowboys are going to win it. You'll have to see that. So now we're going to go ahead and advance the week. So now I'm wondering how we're going to do. I mean, hopefully 8-9 is not that bad, as we were a team that was doing pretty terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up for y'all, so y'all don't have to wait. Okay, so now that we're done with that, so we'll go ahead Vince the week. So, free agents. We could get Aaron, but I mean, I don't really want to. So, we're basically just trying to get a good amount of people so that we can have a better year. We might be able to get him. So, there's like really nobody. Okay, so I just simmed, and we just made the playoffs. So let's go. So, we made the playoffs as we placed 8th. Bro, we were 10-7. Let's go. I really did not expect to go 10-7. As we will play the Bills. We beat the Buccaneers in week 18. So now we're just going to sim. So now we're going to sim this, and hopefully 14-3, 14-6, 21-6. Let's go. Okay, halftime 28-6, and 35-6. Let's go. We might win this, and we win. Oh, pretty good game by Herbert, as we got the deal done, and now. Okay, so we're not doing pretty good. 10-0. 10-7. 7-17. 7-24. What? Okay, 14-24. At least we scored again. That's going to be 14-31. And we're going to lose. I'm sad about that, as we're not going. We're going to be eliminated from the playoffs, but we did pretty good, as at least we got. I got my contract extended, but I'm not even going to be on this anymore. But I hope you all enjoyed, as I am very. And we made the playoffs, and I tried rebuilding the Jaguars. 83 overall. And a quick recap. Here's a quick recap. Our offense was pretty good, and then our defense was decent. So, as always, I hope y'all enjoyed, and peace out.